Welcome to Easy Learn. In this video tutorial, you'll see a quick way how to find duplicate entries in an Excel table. Let's not waste any time. This is how to do it. The first important step in finding duplicate data in a table is to define the area in which we want to look for duplicates. Here, we will select these two columns, columns B and C. You can also highlight the whole sheet by clicking into the top left-hand corner if you wish to. Go to the section styles and choose Conditional Formatting option. Click on Highlight Cells Rules and select Duplicate Values. A pop-up window will appear. On the other hand, if we want to highlight unique values in the table, we would need to switch to Unique in the drop-down menu. Let's choose Duplicate and proceed. You can change the highlight color if you want to. We now confirm the choice by clicking on OK. The duplicates get highlighted within the table. In our table here, we can see that duplicated data are located in rows 5 and 6. The highlighting of duplicates can be turned off by going back to the Styles section, clicking on Conditional Formatting again and selecting Clear Rules. Here you can decide whether you'll clear the rules from selected cells only or from the entire sheet. Let's use the option Clear Rules from Entire Sheet because we want to remove the formatting from the entire spreadsheet. We're done. Highlighting of duplicates has been removed. If you want to know how to delete duplicates from a table, watch our next video tutorial. If you found this video helpful, like us and subscribe to receive more videos from Easy Learn. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.